for Project Earth in remembrance. So this song's called Birds of a Feather. If you know it, sing it along. Fill me like a glacier, feeds valley streams, melt me into fresh water in the early spring. Cover me in dirt off the land where you live. I wanna touch the earth and the body you're in. So feel me like a grapefruit, eat me like an orange. This situation's juicy and I'm ready for more. So catch me like a wave, paddle hard beneath. We're quick with our judgments and we're quick on our feet, because we are birds of a feather. We stick together, we close our eyes and watch the earth go by. We are birds of a feather. We work together, we are part of a flock that's temporary forever. Doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' 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 doo, doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' 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 doo. Da 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 da. Well, I should do this and I should do that, but I will be a raven and I will touch your dress unless you take it off. Take it off. Grizzly and gray, soothing like ginger, wild as sage. The scent makes me linger, 'cause I should not attach and I should just be still. But I will bear the water and your cup I will fill with lime to coat your throat. Scent of the pine, track on a path. All these reminders are a natural map. Straight back to your limb, to your nest. We are birds of a feather. We stick together, we close our eyes and watch the earth go by. We are birds of a feather. We work together, we are part of a flock that's temporary forever. Doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' 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 doo, doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' doodin' doo, doodin' 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 doo. Callous by adventure, we're making a transition here. Callous by ambition, we're making a transition here. Yeah. Callous by adventure, we're making a transition here. Callous by ambition, we're making a transition here. Oh God. Big love, Harmony Park family. Big love, Wookie Foot family. Love you all very much and hope to see you soon. Mahalo.